Hello everyone. Tonight I wanted to make an announcement to the group, to everyone in MKE. I've been very silent, along with both WTC and King, about the events in the announcement video for the future of WTC and MKE. After much communication with WTC, the match has been called off. Listen. I have a significant respect for Slime, and you should all as well. He has been around for a long time and has helped more in this group than any of you have probably ever done in your entire lives. Listen! King in the video significantly disrespected WTC verbally and physically. And at first I thought it was a great idea for them to have some sort of fight for the views, owner type shit. Until said conversation I had with Slime. Whatever, fine. I deal with too much of this bullshit anyways. If you won't listen to me, maybe you'll listen to the man himself.
I didn't leave, but as long as I did, to come back being disrespected. You can boo and cry all you want that you don't get to see a match with the WTC Slime and King, but here's the deal. Whether you like it or you don't like it, you love it, you hate it, one thing for damn sure, you are gonna respect it. One more thing. After speaking thoroughly with my friend Sky here, King has been officially, indefinitely suspended from MKE. And if you don't like that, go back to sitting on your ass playing Fortnite for God's sake.